Hello everyone. Today I'm going to do a video about this AUXITO DD-Y13 series LED bulbs. I'm going to install these LED bulbs on this 2019 4Runner TRD Pro. This 4Runner has stock halogen high beams. They are 9005. So I'm going to install these AUXITO DD-Y13 series bulbs on this high beam. Let's install it and see how good they are. Alright, I'm gonna do a quick unboxing and do the install. Alright, you have some extra rubber rings if the bulb doesn't tighten properly. You have the product manual, and these are the bulbs. So this is the bulb. Give an up close look. At the back you have the fan and you have the LED driver. So this is a look before the install. You can remember last time we installed the AUXITO H11 LEDs on this 4Runner, and we are going to replace the high beam bulbs, the stock halogen high beams, on this 4Runner. Alright, for the install you can see this is the high beam bulb right next to the low beam bulb with the dust cap. So remove the high beam bulb, you turn it counterclockwise and it comes easily. Press this tab, you can remove the bulb. Like that. Get your new bulb. Plug it back in and do the reverse. Insert it, turn clockwise. So I have installed the AUXITO DD-Y13 high beam bulb on the passenger side. You can see the difference between the LED and the halogen. Let me install the driver side and see how it goes. Alright, we are going to do on the driver side. You have the stock halogen bulb right here. Turn it counterclockwise. Press this tab to remove the bulb. Get your new bulb, plug it back in. Now we are going to do the opposite. Plug it in, turn it clockwise. Alright, so we have installed both the sides. Seems to be really bright. Let's test at night and see how they perform. Alright, so you can see, so this is the AUXITO H11 LED bulbs. Let me switch to the AUXITO DD-Y13 9005 high beam bulbs. So you can clearly see how much of light output I have with these bulbs. So this is the high beams, back to the low beams. Let me show you how they look. So this is the low beams again, and the high beams. Alright, right now I have low beams on both the 4Runner TRD Pros. On this side I have the AUXITO H11 LEDs. On this side I have 2020 plus 4Runner TRD Pro with LED low beams and high beams. Let me switch to the stock high beams on this 2020 plus 4Runner TRD Pro. Okay, so this is the stock LED high beams on 2020 plus 4Runner TRD Pro. Let me switch the AUXITO DD-Y13 high beam bulbs on the 2019 4Runner TRD Pro. Alright, so it's a clear indication that AUXITO DD-Y13 are much brighter. Let me show you up front how they look. Alright, so this is the look. Let me see if I can show you the bulb inside the housing. It's really bright. It's really hard to see that bright light. It's really bright. Hope this video helps. Thank you for watching.